Hey guys, I'm just starting out my brand new YouTube channel and I really need your guys' support. So please hit me up in the comment section down below, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. As a great YouTuber once said, it's free and you can always change your mind later. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own personalized Shopify store on sale tags. Now, Shopify already has this built into every one of its themes, so this isn't necessary. This is simply for you to learn how to have fun with your code, and if you don't already know, how to use the code. Shopify Liquid can be sometimes very complex. However, anybody can do anything if they really want to, if they really want to learn. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please hit me up in the comments section on how you finished the process and how I and others could improve their code as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so let's actually get into the coding part. So first, what we're going to need to do is put a tag on any of the products so that we have a reference point for our code. So first, let's just pick any product that we want. We'll go down to the tags part and put in a sales tag. So add sale right there. And then we save this. And then just to make sure that it works on multiple products, we will go over to any other product here. Let's just pick this one. Scroll down and put sale there, and make sure that you remember what tag you put. Don't forget how you spelled it or something if you're like me and you want to just do something goofy. So then let's actually go in and edit the code. So we'll go to themes and then actions, edit code. So now down here in the edit code section, what we're going to do is we're going to first of all, we're going to preview this so that we can actually see what's going on. And then secondly, I did not know this, but it turns out if you maximize this by clicking this button right here, and then you can actually go down to dark. I didn't know that. It just popped out of nowhere one day. And then I found it. So anyways, let's find those products. So we'll just find one of the products that we put in here with the sales tag. So just find whatever product that you put the sales tag on. Click onto it. So basically what you're going to need to do is just find wherever this section is in your product. Okay, so could be anywhere. It depends on what theme you're using, so that's why I'm not specifically showing you, because it might mess you up. So all you do is click, you're going to right click and then hit inspect, and then you can hover over all of these with your mouse and just find where your product is, where the product price is labeled. So that's what you need to do there. For me, it's in product-template.liquid, so that's where I am right now. And so basically I'm going to go down here. Something that I really like to do when I'm trying to look around for something, like where a specific spot is, what I like to do is I can put in an H1 because it's the biggest, and then I'll just write hello. I like to do it with a W, and then save that. And just like that, I found that it's just right here. So if you're having a problem with finding where something is, then that's something that you could do. Obviously, there's 1,000 other things that you could do, but that's just something that I do. So now let's actually get into the code part. So what we're going to need to do is create an if statement. So we do that with Liquid. So if we just create an if statement here, and then inside that we go if product.tags contains sale, and then we end that if statement. So basically, if the product tag contains sale, then we're going to render something. And what are we going to render? So we're going to render a div, and I'm just going to call this, I'm going to put a class on it. I'm going to call the class on sale tag, and then end that div. So that's just an easy way to make sure that I remember what it is. So it's just on sale tag. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to render an H2 inside that div. Now on the H2, I'm just going to go on sale for, and then, whatever it's on sale for. So now how am I going to render what it's on sale for? So there is a way that you could do this a lot easier, but it's not as dynamic, even though this isn't the most dynamic thing. You could go with product.price. We save this, and what happens is it displays the actual price of the product. So if you look at your product section, this is actually what's displayed. However, this doesn't display the $, as you can see, or the decimal place. So although you could do this if you had something like maybe it was $1 or $5 or something like that, then everybody would know that it's just 5. Or this is really just something that you do for yourself. But that's not really what we want to do for this project. Instead, what we want to do is render stuff. So we want to render a bunch of stuff that we have, or really include it. So basically what we can do is we can go include, and then what we're going to include is product dash price, and then we're going to go variant colon and then current underscore variant. So that's what we're going to display right there. The current variant is what we're displaying basically. So then if we save that, it actually comes out to this. Okay. So that's basically what we're going to display if it is on sale. This is only if it's on sale. So remember that it's only on sale. Okay. That is all we want to display if it's actually indeed on sale. So now what if it's not on sale? Well, we need to write an else statement. So let's just do that. Let's write else down here. So else, if it's not on sale, then what are we going to do? Well, if it's not on sale, then we're just going to include the normal thing. So we're going to include product dash price, and then comma, I believe, variant current variant, and then we're going to show the vendor. Show. Then we're going to show the vendor, and then it's section.settings.show vendor. Sorry, there's a lot of things to remember, so I didn't choose to remember them. I just wrote them down after I wrote the code. So that's why I'm looking over here. I have my little sheet of paper that has all my code written down on it. So now let's just test this code, see if it works. Okay, very nice. It displays one thing. And then let's just go with anything else, blue. We'll just type in blue, and we know that we didn't put the price tag on this. Aha, perfect. It only displays this. It doesn't display this over here. It does not display on sale for. So this is actually a little bit too small for my liking. So instead, I'm going to just wrap this in an H2. Like so. H2, just like that. So then if we save it, it will look a bigger now. So that is perfect. So let's just go back to our other product. And now we're just going to style this just a little. Obviously you can style this however you would like. I'm going to style it how I like because it's my video and I don't have anybody telling me what to do currently. So I'm just going to go up to the top. This is not where you would style this in your CSS, because CSS is actually cascading style sheets. So that means that it cascades downward. So you really do want to make sure that all of your CSS is styled correctly. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to put it up at the top because it's the easiest, and then you don't have to look as far. So let's get into styling this on sale product. So to style this, let's just go up to the top, and then I'm going to remember, this is why it's important to label your things something that you can remember, or just remember where it is. So we labeled this on sale tag. So I can actually just copy this here, copy, and then there's a space over there. Let me just get rid of that. Okay, so I copied it and then paste it right there. So it's on sale tag, and then put my curly braces. So now let's just put a max width on this thing so that it doesn't get too big. In fact, I want it to be just like these buttons right here, because I want it to follow the theme of the store so that it doesn't look totally out of place. So let's just do that right now. So let's put a max width, and we'll go with 25 rem. And then we'll go with height of 3 rem. And then we have a border. We'll go with 2 pixel. We're going to go with 2 pixel. These are clearly 1 pixel, but we're going to go with 2 pixel because we want it to stand out a little bit more, because when something is on sale, you really want it to know that it's on sale. So we're going to go with 2 pixels instead, just to make it stand out more. So 2 pixels of solid black. Let's save that and just see if it works. It does, so it's centered right there. And now let's go with a color of white and a background color of I have this like nice one that I picked out when I did the code. Let's see if it's 2498. So 2498, and then DB. Yeah, that's a yikes. I could never remember that. And then let's go with text align center. Display flex. And justify content. To the center. Let's just preview that, see how it works. And just like that, it works very nice. So, right here we can see this item is definitely on sale, and this will be displayed only for this item. We can see that if I go anywhere else in the, let's just go with yellow. Do we have anything yellow? We do have yellow. Wool jumper socks. We can see that that is not displayed on this. Why? Because this is not on sale, because of our if-else statement. So that is how the code works. And actually, something that I'm seeing right now, I don't believe we need this text align center. Let me just make sure. Yeah, we didn't need that. So if you put the text align center on there, just be sure to take that off. That will definitely help with speed optimization for this product, for the code. We don't need that because we put the display flex and then the justify content on it. So we don't need that in here anymore. So guys, I hope you really liked this. That's how the code works. Now remember, this is not the most dynamic thing in the whole world, because we already have this in Shopify. This is a basic, very basic level, just for coding projects for beginners, or people that aren't super ready for big, huge world problems. However, I did see this job on Upwork, and the person was charging, we're offering $50 for this. So, if you're a freelancer and you work on Upwork, this is totally something that you could definitely do. And, who knows, you might actually get $50 for the project. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you liked, please give a like and please comment down below so that I know what videos you guys like, maybe what videos you guys want me to do next. And please subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this, so that we can all just have a blast just getting as many subscribers as possible, for teaching you guys, for me learning. It would just be such a great thing if you guys subscribe to my channel to help me out. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a fantastic day. Later.